namin.
Next! Patrick Pampang. I hope all of you are enjoying this thing. Because we are also enjoying this. Next, Gilbert Lala.
Doon na ba lahat manggagaling?
The last but not the least, Paolo Murado.
Ba't hindi mo?
Paolo Murado is wearing a runner from Stellar Cafe. Confident are candidates in their formal wear. And now we will be having our question and answer portion. Yes. Contestant number 1, please step forward.
So I have a first of all, bukod ang First question for contestant number 1. What was the biggest mistake you have made? Thank you, Sir Milan, for that wonderful question. In my life, I have not yet committed a major mistake. So therefore, I conclude that I am perfect.
Contestant number 2, please step forward.
Okay, contestant number 2, this is your question. What is the essence of being a woman?
Is to be pregnant.
Explain.
Good question. Good evening, everyone. The essence of being a woman is being me. Because I am a woman.
Contestant number 3, please step forward.
First of all, good evening, sexy. This is the question. If you will be given a chance to be a true woman, who's that woman that you wish to be?
Thank you, sir, for the thoughtful question. I would be a woman. I would choose to be
I haven't chosen yet, but I already here.
The mouse one.
Oh.
Okay, so your question, contestant number 4. This is scripted, right? Okay. What is the greatest problem that our country faces today?
I need to
Would you like me to repeat the question? What is the greatest problem that our country faces today?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Cross that one. Our country is facing a major poverty. Contestant number 5. Is that one more? Our contestant number 5 needs an interpreter. And that would be peace.
Okay, and the question is very sensitive. Madam? Okay. Contestant number 5. If the man you truly love asks for your virginity, birthday gift, will you give it? And why?
Do you need an interpreter for that?
Yes.
Oy, labas na yung
Are you nervous?
No, you have to answer by yourself.
You can speak the language you want.
Galingan mo.
Contestant number 5 doesn't want to give her virginity due to she doesn't want any premarital sex. She wants to get married first before anything else. Contestant number 6.
I know first from what country you are from.
I am from Latin.
Where? You're from the Philippines. Alright. Sige. What is the most embarrassing you've ever had as a grown lady? Please elaborate.
Your questions?
Okay, this is the question, right? What is the most embarrassing moment you've ever had as a grown lady? Please elaborate.
I guess it's when I joined a contest and I got nothing but embarrassment.